Oh my god, I love this advent calendar.
Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Today I have another advent calendar unboxing to share with you, and this time we are unboxing the Catrice DIY advent calendar for 2022. I bought this from the cosmeticsforless.de together with the Essence advent calendar and with the mystery bundle they had for 15 euros. This retails for 39.90 euros, which in dollars I think it's around the same, maybe $39, because it's not a very big difference in US dollars and euros. I always forget to let you know about the prices in dollars, but if I will not forget, I will mention that. So yeah, actually I did not realize, but the color of the box matches my blouse. So how cool is that? And you have some cute tree on this. I think the design for the Catrice is even prettier. Before we are starting the unboxing, I have to share with you something, and I will rather give it to one of you. So I purchased this, as I told you, from Germany, and they have sent me a HelloFresh coupon with a value of 95 euros. Now, I have a German address, but I rather prefer to do my grocery here. So from this reason, I want to give this coupon to one of my German viewers. So if you live in Germany, you have to redeem this to the HelloFresh.de. I even don't understand anything. So first come, first save. If you want to redeem this, just DM me on my Instagram. I will have my handle on the screen here. And this, it will be yours. For 95 euros, I think it's a great value to get from HelloFresh. Inside, like last year, I think I still have the stickers. You have 24 stickers, so this is 24 days DIY advent calendar, if I failed to mention. And those are the bags that are matching the outside of the box. Happy holidays from Catrice. And inside we have the goodies, so they are coming like in normal box. In no particular order, I will just randomly pick the product and show them to you on camera. The first product that is near to me is this Catrice, of course. This is the Holiday Skin Luminous Bronzer with macadamia oil. I never had this. So this is in the shade Summer in the City. And I'm happy about this because I have another bronzer from Catrice, but it's very chunky. Then we have a Catrice. This is natural base coat. Water shellac. Only 3 ingredients. Okay. Like in the Essence advent calendar, I could see that we have some amount of nail polishes, which is probably not my favorite thing, but the base coat is something which I will use for sure. This is a natural base coat, 99% natural ingredients, prevents nails from direct contact with nail polish, protects nails effectively against staining, evens out ridges and extends lastingness of nail polish. Apply a thin layer and let it dry. Day number 3, it's a primer that I was actually almost buying. This is the One Step Skin Perfector that it's infused with SPF 20. So this is nice. Oh, it's sealed, so I would rather not open it right now because I have currently going on a few open primer, but I'm going to use it up and report back. Alright, moving to day number 4. This is a Ultimate Stay Water Fresh Lip Tint, and this is a transfer proof. I love the shade, so it looks more scary on the tube, but it's a tint, yeah, like the name implies, it's a tint that it will stain. So I also believe that this is comfortable on your lips. Moving on, this is a protecting multi-balm lip cushion infused with coffee seed oil and cocoa butter. Ooh, this is really cool. Oh, it's also sealed, so I'm not going to open it, but I am looking forward to trying this one. I'm not sure if I will be able to count the days, so this is day number 6. This is a 18-hour contour and Color and Contour Eye Pencil. The shade is Green Smoothie, and it's a automatic pencil. I love when I see other colors than black. Then we have a lipstick. This is in the shade Full of Joy. Ooh, look at this shade. This is very nice. I think the camera doesn't pick exactly. It's more vibrant in reality than it is on camera. Okay, it will be a very nice and more appropriate shade for spring and summer. I love this formula. I have another lipstick from Catrice on this packaging, and they are absolutely stunning. They are very hydrating, nourishing, and they do last all day. They are like a high-end feeling. And also love the packaging. Look how cute is this. Next we have a nail polish, Catrice Icon Nails Gel Lacquer. This is this. I think it also has a cap. Yeah, now I see the cap. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep all those nail polishes, but the packaging is nice. But I have some friends and I can give them for the holiday season. This is a product that I'm very excited about. I always wanted to have. This is a lash comb, lash separation. Oh, it's so sweet. Look, it also has a stand. Oh no, it was just thick. So if you have a clumpy mascara that clumps up your lashes, not now because they are dry, you can definitely comb your lashes. Luckily, I do not have this problem because I have used my favorite mascara from Tarte, which doesn't clump my lashes. But if you have a mascara that you like, but you don't like the fact that they clump your lashes, you can definitely use this kind of comb. So I'm happy that another product I don't need to buy. I'm just checking my mic. Then we have another nail polish. So I would rather prefer to show all the nail polishes and be done with that. This is More Than Nude. This is Powerful Red. And this is matching my blouse. This is a gorgeous Have a Blush on You. So only beautiful shades. So maybe I'll keep some of them. Next we have an eyeshadow, and of course I lost the count. This is a gorgeous shadow. This is Every Eyes Darling. I believe this is the shade. It's a nice taupe. Again, I'm not going to swatch it just in case that I will decide to put it in the giveaway, but it's a very wearable shade. Then we have, oh wow, I'm happy about this. I wanted to try the Catrice skincare. They have some skincare which I'm yet to try. This is a Overnight Glow AHA treatment with 5% glycolic acid. Oh, I'm very excited about this. I will probably move it to my bathroom because I do not have any AHA as of now. So this is the bottle. And also speaking about skincare, another skincare is the Hydro Supercharged Serum, 1% triple hyaluronic acid and 5% niacinamide. I was about to buy this type of serum from The Ordinary, but now if I have this, I'm going to try it. So I will definitely include those on my skincare rotation and I will report back. I still have a few products, maybe around 10 or so. Next we have a mascara. This is Lashes to Kill Sexy Volume. Ooh, this looks nice. Okay, I'm going to open it because I'm planning to use it. And this is what the brush looks like. Also, it seems to be more a drier formula. Looking forward to that. Ooh, another product that I wanted to try. This is the Brow Combo Pen, Micro Pen, sorry, in the shade Ash Blonde. Okay, this is not the shade that I will use, probably. It might be too light for me. Oh no, it's not too light, but I think it's a little bit too red. But you see it has some like 3 points and it will draw. Of course I cannot show on me. So I will, I don't know, I will put this aside and share it with someone if they don't mind that I swatch it, because I think the shade, it will not match me. It's too red for me. I have just darkened my hair. Next we have another pencil. This is a eye pencil in the shade Stella McBrownie. Oh, that's so cool. So this is a automatic eye pencil in brown shade. Again, I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not sure which one I'm going to keep. A ultimate stay lip tint in the shade Stuck With You. A red lipstick, or at least the packaging. This is the Volumizing Extreme Lip Balm. Okay, so this is a lip balm and the shade is very, very nice. They're cool and doesn't, oh no, it has a fresh, not fresh, mint scent to it. Next we have a Pore SOS Spot Treatment with 2% BHA and fights impurities. Okay, I know this is the kind of treatment you put directly on your zit. I have had a couple of these. I have not from Catrice, from other brands. I have opened them, but because I do not have so many zits, they have expired. So how much has this shelf time? 12 months. A treatment gel with salicylic acid for application on impurities. 3 more products to go. Next we have a lip liner in the shade Press the Hot Button. This is a very beautiful red shade and it's mechanical. Yeah, and the crayons, the automatic crayons also have the sharpener if you want to do that, and so it applies for the eye crayons. And lastly but not at least, so the day 23 and day 24 are 2 eyeshadow palettes which I'm very, very excited about because I do not own too many Catrice eyeshadow palettes or stuff like this. So this is the Golden Afterglow eyeshadow palette, which has this sleek, very minimalist packaging with swatches. So I love the packaging. It's very, very slim. It's of course not very expensive, and this is the mirror. This is what it looks like. I might keep it or not, I am not sure. So I prefer to be sealed in case that I decide I will put it in a giveaway. So stay tuned for my upcoming giveaways. And next, I'm very excited about this eyeshadow palette. Look how big it is. This is the Nude Daring eyeshadow palette. I think I'm going to keep this one. Oh my god, you guys, let me show you. I think this reminds me of a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, probably the rose gold or so. Those are some beautiful shades. So I'm looking forward to try this eyeshadow palette in some of my upcoming videos. Maybe I will do a full face of Catrice because I have plenty of products from Catrice. Alright, so we have finished. This is the unboxing of the Catrice DIY Advent Calendar for 2022, Volume 4. So I don't know where are the other volumes because I was not able to find any other of those. Maybe they are released in years because I think last year they had until the volume 3 and they only released one advent calendar for 2022 as of now. But yeah, you guys, now it's your turn to let me know what you think about this advent calendar. For me it's wow, wow, wow. Even though there are quite a lot of nail polishes, I think we have 4 and 1 top coat. I think those are great shades, very wearable shades. And also I'm very excited about all this makeup that I got. Remember that everything is a full size and I think the value that we got here is up to 100 euros. So yeah, the Catrice DIY Advent Calendar for 2022 gets from me a 10 out of 10 and a big, huge thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and press the notification bell to be notified for my next upcoming video. So thank you guys again for taking the time to watch. Don't forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile, and I'm going to see you soon with another video.